find the quadratic equation whose roots are -4 and -2/3. Now, did you really understand this question? Now, what it simply means is that they had a quadratic equation, okay, that they solved and got the result or the roots as what? -4 and -22/3, sorry. And we are asked to reverse this, okay? We have to reverse it back to the question. The answers are this, but we'll have to reverse it back to the question. And how do we start? These two rules simply means that these are the values of what? X that satisfies that question, okay, that quadratic equation. Now, let's start by equating this to what? X. So, x equals -4 or x equals -2 divided by 3. Now, these are what? The two values of x that satisfies that given question, okay, or quadratic equation. So from here, it simply means that the next thing we are going to do is to equate these two terms to what? 0, and also do the same here. For this side, we are going to add 4 to both sides. So if we do that, we have x plus 4 equals -4 plus 4 will give us 0. So x plus 4 equals 0, or this, for this case now, we have denominator here. So this can be written as x divided by 1, and we are going to cross and multiply. If we do that, we have 3 multiply x, so we have 3x equals -2. So 3x here equals -2, and they divided 3 by from in both sides. That is how they are able to achieve this. So this is what we have. So from here, x plus 4 equals 0, or 3x plus 2 equals 0. Now, this is what I did here. I added 2 to both sides, because -2 plus 2, -2 plus 2 will give us 0, and 3x plus 2 is this, okay? Now, x plus 4 equals 0, or 3x plus 2 equals 0, okay? Remember that we are trying to reverse back to the quadratic equation. So from here, it simply means that x plus 4 is multiplied by 3x plus 2, and everything is equated to 0. Yes, the product of this gave us what? 0. That is why either if we apply 0 product rule, either this is equal to 0, which is this, or this is equal to 0. We are trying to go back to the question, okay? So this is what we have. And for here, since x plus 4 equals to 0, if we substitute 0 for here and multiply this, this will become 0. And if this is 0, if we substitute it here, this will be equal to 0. I hope you are getting what I'm saying, okay? You can share your idea in the comment section, okay? So from here, we are going to use these two terms and multiply this. So x will be multiplying these two terms. So we have x in bracket 3x plus 2, then plus 4 plus this 4 in bracket 3x plus 2, and this equal to 0, okay? Now, this is what gave out this. This particular one here is what gave out this. We have common term here. That is why we picked one to get this. And this plus this gave us this, okay? So from here, we can now open the brackets, okay? So x times 3x will give us 3x squared. Then x times plus 2 will give us plus 2x. Then plus 4 times 3x will give us 12x. Plus 4 times 2 will give us 8. And this equals 0. We are almost there, okay? So we have 3x squared plus 2x plus 12x will give us 14x. Then plus 8 equals 0. And this is the quadratic equation whose roots are -4 and -3 divided by 2. -2 divided by 3. Thank you so much for watching to the end. What do you think about this explanation? Share that in the comment section, because it helps us to improve in serving you better. Thank you so much for watching to the end. Please share this video. Bye.